Wala sa akin.
Something you had almost
Ano ka?
forgotten
Ano ka?
will come back to
Ano
you.
ka pare ko eh?
Thank God there will still be time to do what has to be done about it. Everyone makes mistakes, and instead of being angry at yourself for those you make, try to prevent their recurrence. Alright. What about you, Renee? Aquarius? You will come close to a winning number,
Pare ko yari,
but not
loko,
close
yari.
enough. You
Yari,
will be more
loko,
persuasive, but do not expect to get your way in all things. Do not look only at positive factors, but do not become inhibited by those that are negative. Luck it not with you, so live a little as possible to chance. Yan na.
Kayo Yeye. August 21 kayo.
August 21
Kay-
kay Honey Yeye
Ah, yeah.
Leo.
Leo?
August
Anong Leo?
21. Virgo. Virgo siya. August 21 to September 22. Avoid a way to cut monetary costs. That is more costly in time, but in quantities only if you are sure it will not perish or decay before you can use it all. Do not make a decision involving a friend without first consulting him. Losing your temper either with yourself or other will only make matters worse. Alright.